Ha and wow. How to connect them together or with other letters? Interested to know? Just follow me. Hello everyone. Safe here and a new video with Arabic with Safe. In the previous lessons, we have covered 25 letters different forms. Today, with two more letters, different forms. Ha and wow. Let's see letter ha, different four forms. This is the isolated form of ha as we studied in level 1. This is how the letter looks like if it's by itself in the word. When you write it in the beginning of a word, the shape of ha will change to be like a small flower attached with short line to get connected after. The middle form of ha will take a different form, same as a bow tie, allows to connect any letter before and after. The final form of ha, we drew a short line before and attach it with ha shape as isolated form. This short line will help any letter before it to get connected, but raise it a little bit above the line. I like this letter, flower or a bow tie. It's a romantic one. Now let's see letter wow, different four forms. This is the isolated form of wow as we studied in level 1. This is how the letter looks like if it's by itself in the word. When you write wow in the beginning of a word, it stays as it is by itself shape, not allowing to connect any letter after. When you write it in the middle, it connects to any letter before. That's why this short line will be before it, so any letter can be connected, but nothing after. The final form of wow also takes the same shape as in the middle, with a short line before it to get connected with any other letter. Now let's practice how to connect and read some letters, but we will mix letters between this lesson and the previous one. Sin, ha, mim. Let's connect these three letters. First, we will check the relation between sin and ha. If sin in the beginning of a word, it can connect to any letter after. And if ha in the middle, it can connect to any letter before. So both can be connected. Second, the relation between ha and mim. If ha in the middle, it can connect to any letter after. And mim at the end can connect to any letter before. So all will be connected. And this will be the final form for this word. Let's read it. Sahm. Sahm means arrow. Another word. Wow, sad, lamb. Let's connect these three letters. First, we will check the relation between wow and sad. Wow in the beginning, not allowing to connect any letter after. So letter sad in the middle by default will change to be initial form. Second, the relation between sad and lam. If sad in the middle, it can connect to any letter after. And lam at the end can connect any letter before. So both will get connected. And this will be the final form for this word. Let's read it. وصل. وصل means arrived. Okay, now let's practice some words. I will show you isolated letters and you try to form two words. And if you have any question, please write it in the comments. I'm always ready to answer. واو, راء, عين. Let's connect these three letters to form a word. سين, ألف, عين, هاء. Let's connect these four letters to form one more word. All right, here we have reached to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. Smash the subscribe button, hit that like button, and check out my videos for more. All right, get you guys next lesson. Salam.